Hello user, welcome to Smart Vision Glasses Ultra. These glasses look like normal sunglasses, but they contain powerful technology to help you read, navigate, recognize objects, and stay connected. First, please wear the glasses. It will be easier to understand their structure. Let's begin by understanding the physical layout of the device. On the front of the glasses, right in the center above the nose bridge and between your eyebrows, you will feel a tiny circular bump. This is the 12 megapixel camera. The camera is used for capturing images. On the top right corner of the front frame, you will feel a small dot. This is the flash, which helps the camera work in low light conditions. Now, move your finger to the left arm of the glasses. Near the front of the left arm, you will feel a small rectangular or textured area. This is the multi-zone LiDAR sensor. The LiDAR sensor detects obstacles in front of you and provides audio alerts to support safer movement. Now, slide your finger all the way to the end of the left arm. At the tip, you will feel a small opening. This is the charging port used to charge Smart Vision Glasses Ultra. Once the charge is completed, the device will make a long beep sound to let the user know. Now move your finger to the outer side of the left arm. You will feel a long horizontal line. This is the swipe area. Here you can swipe forward or swipe backward to navigate through different features and double tap to activate the features. The circle is the standby mode, which halts all the ongoing operations when held for 2 seconds. Now, feel both arms of the glasses near the area where they rest on your ears. You will notice small openings on each side. These are the open ear speakers. They allow you to hear the device clearly while keeping your ears open to the surrounding sounds. Now, move your finger to the downside of the left arm just below the swipe area. Here, you will find 2 buttons. The first button is the power button. Press and hold this button to turn the glasses on or off. Press and hold the button for half a second to turn on the device, and press and hold the button for 2 seconds to turn it off. The second button is the action button. Now move to the downside of the right arm. Here, you will find 3 buttons arranged vertically. The top button is the Bluetooth button. Below that is the volume up button, and below that is the volume down button.